Welcome to another episode of Foodie Show to Go. Today we are making Vietnamese crepes or Banh Xeo. If you like this video or find it helpful, please click like, subscribe, and check the bell notification for future videos. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need for today's recipe. Now thoroughly rinse the dry shrimp, rice, and mung bean. So after you thoroughly rinse the rice, the mung bean, and the soaked dry shrimp, you want to go ahead and scoop it into a blender. Now you want to go ahead and chop the green onions and put it aside. You're going to crack 1 egg and put it into the blender. You want to add a little bit of salt in here. Turmeric. And a day-old rice that you've warmed up in the microwave. And some water. Seems that the batter is a little thick, so we're going to go ahead and add in our remainder water. We're going to go ahead and pour the batter into a bowl. Then you're going to go ahead and add your chopped scallions that you prepared earlier. Once you mix it with the chopstick to incorporate, now you want to go ahead and add some olive oil to the batter. And keep in mind, it's okay for the batter to be a little gritty. And then you're going to mix it. So you want your batter to be a little bit runny like this. You don't want it to be too thick, otherwise you won't have a thin crepe. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and thinly slice the pork belly. So now you're going to want to go ahead and rough chop the shrimp and combine it with the pork belly. But if you have small shrimps, then you can leave it as is. You're going to want to go ahead and transfer the pork belly and the shrimp that we chopped earlier into a small bowl. At this point, you want to go ahead and marinate with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just enough to coat and massage into the meat. Now pepper. A little bit of the oil. Okay. You want to go ahead and put the pork belly, I would say about 4 pieces of pork belly. Now you want to add in the shrimp once your pork belly is browning on both sides. Okay, now you're going to want to add in your batter. Swirl it around into a circle. You want to swirl it until all of the batter are evenly coating the pan. As so. Okay, now the edges looks evenly brown and starting to pull away from the pan. We're going to go ahead and fold it. Do you see how thin and crispy and evenly brown that look? Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer it into a plate. We're going to go ahead and dip it into some warm or semi-hot water and then transfer into a plate. We're going to transfer 1 leafy lettuce, slice of cucumber, some cilantro, any herbs of your choice. I happen to have mint here. You can even put in basil, coriander herbs, chives if you want to. Okay, now you're going to transfer our crepes that we made earlier. Look how thin and crispy this looks. You're going to go ahead and roll it up into a spring roll. Well, there you have it. This is how I make Vietnamese crepes. Well, let's dig in. There are 2 ways you can actually eat this. My preference would be eating it with rice paper wrappers, but traditionally you can just fold it into a leafy lettuce and then dipped it into some fish sauce that I made for today. You can certainly get the recipe on how to make fish sauce at the end of the video or visit our website. Now it's time for the most important part of today, which is taste testing. I'm going to bring out Liam, my taste tester, and we're going to try this together. Here you go. I love it. Excellent. Now it's my turn to give this a go. So savory, so delicious. A combination of green fresh lettuce, everything just really marinate well and jive well together. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and
thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes.